Welcome to Filming with Zohan. Hope you are liking my videos. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So here I am going to Dubai Festival City. So many lights around. Thank you so much for liking my all videos. I will try to upload interesting videos. For me, it's easy to voice record the video. We are about to reach our destination. Here we are at Dubai Festival City. And look at me, I'm riding a bike. And it was such a fancy bike. I really enjoyed it. Vroom, vroom, here I go. Laser light is the famous show here. I came to watch beautiful laser show. It was about to start. And it just started. And here I am on the train. It was a little boring, but overall it was a good day. Time to end up my video. Keep supporting me. Please subscribe. Show your love to this little boy. Okay, bye. Until we meet again.